Today I will be talking about the diabetes myth that states eating too much sugar causes diabetes. The first myth I want to blow away is the often misused statement that eating too much sugar causes diabetes. It is just not true. That said, it would still be a very unhealthy thing to do. The answer lies in explaining the link between carbohydrates and diabetes. It is important to understand just how carbohydrates affect the blood glucose level. Insulin production and the way your body uses it changes when you have diabetes. With type 2 diabetes, the body still produces insulin, but not enough, and the body does not use it as effectively as before. The result is that you actually need to produce far more than someone without the disease. It is impossible to keep overproducing, and the end result is that the illness worsens. Being overweight does not cause diabetes in itself, but it does make the body more likely to have a higher point of insulin resistance. This is why being overweight can lead to the disease. The hormone insulin helps glucose move from the blood into the cells, where your body converts this to energy. Too little insulin and the glucose stays in the blood, and you don't have the energy that you require. Too much glucose in the blood causes damage to organs in your body over the long term. Carbohydrates in food is where you get your energy from. All carbohydrates get broken down into glucose. So now you should be able to see the link between carbohydrates and glucose and energy. That is why it is not sugar in itself that is the problem for a diabetic. It stands to reason that you do not want high spikes of glucose in the body. So far better to eat carbohydrates that break down slowly over a period of time. This would be whole meal products and whole foods like potatoes and vegetables. Avoid processed food whenever possible. By doing this, you are at least giving your limited insulin supply a chance to be more effective. There is no reason to give up eating delicious food just because you are diabetic. It is simply not true that you have to give up all your favorite treats. Diabetes is not caused by eating too much sugar. Fact. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this information, kindly like and share this video. If you want our complete list for 21 diabetic myths, please check for a link in the description to this video for our free report, 21 Diabetic Myths Expose. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more diabetes-destroying information.